Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridge in an HP Deskjet printer in 2026. So whether your prints are faded, blank or showing low ink warnings, changing the cartridge properly fixes the problem fast. So first of all, you need to turn on your HP Deskjet printer. After that, you need to open the top cover. The cartridge holder will automatically move to the center. Wait until it completely stops moving. Now you need to gently press and hold the old cartridge and pull it out. Afterwards, you need to take the new cartridges and remove the protective plastic tape from them. So the tapes are going to be over here. After removing this, just make sure that no tape is left covering the copper contacts or ink nozzles. Now you need to slide the new cartridges into this particular slot and you need to push it until you hear a click sound. Repeat the same step if you are replacing both the color or the black cartridges. Once it is installed successfully, simply close the printer cover. The printer may make some noise and prepare the new cartridges. If it prints an alignment page, you can also follow the instructions because this also helps improving the print quality. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.